Hello everyone, on this lesson I'm going to show how to find the second term of a second order recurrence sequence and also how to find the closed form. To find the second term, we start by using the value of n equals 0. So the second term of the sequence is negative 13 over 5 u1 plus 6 over 5 u0. Then I'm going to use the values given, the u0 12 and u1 negative 2, and find the second term. So the second term is this one. To find the closed form of the recurrence sequence, we go to the rule and write it in a quadratic format. So I write the rule as r squared equal negative 13 over 5 r plus 6 over 5, and multiplying both sides by 5, we go to a quadratic function. We're rearranging and make it equal to 0. We go to the quadratic. So we need to find the roots of this quadratic equation by factorizing. Here I have used the method of factorizing the quadratic equation, and I factorized in the form 5r minus 2 times r plus 3 equals 0. So the two roots of the quadratic above is 2 over 5 and negative 3. We are going to use these roots to find the general solution of the sequence. So the general solution of the sequence can be written in this format: un equals a times 2 over 5 to the power of n plus b times negative 3 to the power of n. And the n get values from the 0 up to infinity. We already know the first two terms of the sequence. The first one is 12 and the second is negative 2. So by using value n equals 0, we can find equations. So first I start with n equals 0. So the u0 is 12 is equal to the a times 0 negative 3 to the power of 0. The second term is negative 2. So this is when the n is 1. So the n equals 1 give us negative 2 equal. So the next thing to do is to simplify this equation and solve a system of two linear simultaneous equations to find the constants a and then b. After we simplify the two equations, we have a plus b equals 12 and 2 over 5 a minus 3b equals negative 2. I multiply the first equation by 3, and then I have the two equations on the right hand side, and then I add the two equations to eliminate the b to find the a. So I found the two constants, A and B. The A is 10 and then B is 2. Then I can write the closed form as un equals 10 times 2 over 5 to the power of n plus 2 times minus 3 to the power of n, and then takes values from 0 up to infinity. This is the lesson today. If you like the lesson, don't forget to subscribe to see more lessons like this one. Thank you.